Hey you guys, today I'm going to show you how to make flaxseed gel. I used Natural 85's tutorial and it worked perfect for me, so I'll show you how it works. Oh, and as promised, this video will be less than 5 minutes. Let's cue the timer. A few things you'll need: water, a pot, brown flaxseed, stocking, I got mine from the dollar store, a container, and a bottle to put the flaxseed gel in. First things first. You're going to take water and pour it into a pot and let it boil. Once it begins boiling, pour in your flaxseed. A little goes a long way, so you don't have to use a lot of flaxseed. Next, let it do what it do. I let it boil for about a minute, and then I went back to check. You want to make sure that you see a thick mucus-like string. If you don't see it, let it boil a little longer, maybe 3 minutes or so. What you're looking for is a thick mucus string. You only want to see just a little bit of the mucus, and that's how you know that it's ready. Okay, now you want to let it sit. I usually let mine sit for about 40 minutes to an hour, sometimes longer if I'm doing mommy things. Next, you're going to take the flax seed and pour it into a container. I used a measuring cup. I then took it and poured it into a stocking. After you pour it into a stocking, you begin to squeeze that juice back into the measuring cup. You want to make sure that you get all of that gel, all of that goodness, just like that. Now take the gel and pour it into a little container or dispenser, and boom, you're done. Quick curl note. This will last about a week or two in the fridge or a few days if left out on the counter. You can also freeze your gel if you want to keep it longer but don't have any access to preservatives. That's it. I use this flaxseed gel for my twist outs, braid outs, wash and goes, and just to slick my hair up into a ponytail. Next time, I'll show you how to get these juicy twist outs using the flaxseed gel made here. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and want to follow me on my natural hair journey, click the like button and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram at NaturalMamaJax. Thanks.